Fintech is a growing sector with entrepreneurs and startups helping to make transformational change. We went to find out how businesses are developing sustainable finance to support a growing industry.
As we all move towards living our lives completely online, we're increasingly using technology for our financial services on our phones, on all our devices. But how green are fintech companies and why is that important? Here at London Business Club Homegrown, entrepreneurial pioneers rub shoulders with investors and business leaders. They know that the way we transact is changing all the time. Digitalization means the number of financial technology companies, or Fintechs, is increasing fast, as is the pressure for ethical investment.
Europe alone last year had 505 green funds being launched. From a customer point of view, 1 in 3 customers in the UK alone have now decided to switch to green financial services or green financial providers. From an employee's point of view, 60% of the global millennials and the Gen Zs have stated that they will only work for a company that clearly states how positively they are impacting the environment and the societies that they operate in.
Communique is one of the partners of Fintech Circle, an organisation that helps startups to innovate and grow.
Startups have got the power and the potential to disrupt the status quo, and we call this transformational innovation.
Yet many of them fail, and the CEO of Fintech Circle advises that one route to survival is responsible finance, and to focus on the 3 principles of ESG.
One is about environment, how to become a steward to nature. Number 2, it's about social impact and how to deepen, how to improve relationships with your employees, your clients, the communities you serve, your shareholders. And number 3, it's about governance, how to run the business in a more sustainable way, focus on diversity, focus on inclusion, for example.
I think it's all about the conversation, and of course when investors are viewing possibilities and opportunities, this dimension of green hasn't always been at the forefront, but to say that actually I'm going to put my money into something that is actually having a better impact on the environment is a bold move. And I think we need more investors to be bold.
As a hedge fund, I think we're quite lucky in the sense that obviously we're small and nimble. And so actually we're able to do a lot more and get a lot more through, really know who our customers are, really know who our service providers are, do our due diligence.
As well as reducing their own carbon footprint, fintech companies can help us measure and reduce ours. And if you can't reduce it, you can offset it.
And there are all sorts of fintech companies out there and fintech apps which help you to offset your carbon footprint. One example is car insurance. You can sign up to fintech apps which allow you to offset part of your driving.
Fintech is really prominent in Africa at the moment. Why? Because the majority of Africans don't have access to bank accounts. They don't have access to ATMs. So what is but they all have a mobile phone. And because of that, they're actually able to utilize and use the technology of payments and loans.
But can fintech companies reduce their high level of energy consumption?
When we look at the cryptocurrency space, which has been criticized of ignoring climate change in the past, that they are also moving in the right direction by trying to create new cryptocurrencies which use less energy. And also the Crypto Climate Accord has got as a target to reduce and decarbonize the industry and achieve net zero targets by 2030.
With fintech transforming financial services, at a time when parts of our planet are becoming uninhabitable through climate change, it's imperative to put sustainability at the heart of their business.